Welcome to Mastering the Art of Perfect Pasta Dough. Today we're going to take you on a journey to create flawless pasta dough right in your own kitchen. I'm your host, Susan, the founder of Testari Kitchen, which manufactures the ultimate pasta machine. I'll be your guide throughout this pasta making adventure. Let's start with the heart of any great pasta dish, the pasta dough itself. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of high-quality all-purpose flour plus ½ cup reserved. 4 large fresh eggs. Step 1. Place 2 cups of flour on a clean, dry surface. Step 2. Create a well in the center of the flour and crack 4 fresh eggs into it. Step 3. Combine the eggs into the flour. Step 4. Knead the dough. If the dough is too sticky, gradually knead in as much as you need of the reserved ½ cup of flour until you achieve a smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky dough. Kneading is where the magic happens. You want the dough to be smooth, elastic, and just slightly tacky to the touch. It should take about 5 to 8 minutes of kneading to reach this perfect texture. Step 5. Once your dough reaches the perfect texture, wrap it in plastic wrap or cover it with a cloth. Let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. To allow the gluten to relax, which makes the dough easier to roll out. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Now, let's roll out our rested dough. I'll be using the ultimate pasta machine for this part. It's a game changer when it comes to crafting the perfect pasta, and the patented suction base means you don't need to worry about clamps. Start with the widest setting and gradually work your way to your desired thickness. After rolling out the sheets, you can use them for lasagna or stuffed pastas like ravioli, or you can cut them into strips for fettuccine or tagliatelle with the included cutters. And there you have it, the art of creating the perfect pasta dough. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Your efforts will be rewarded with incredible homemade pasta dishes that you and your loved ones will savor. Thank you for joining us today on this pasta making journey. Please subscribe for more culinary adventures. Buon appetito!